It's Peaches! Whee! It's Peaches! Is that right? And what else? What else do you have to say? We've got Harpo laughing maniacally. Yeah. What a good boy. Mwah. What a good boy. Oh my. He needs a hug. You need a hug. You need a hug. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you need lots of hugs, don't you? Yeah. You couldn't be a better boy.
Oh, I see. I see what's going on here. I love the fire.
Oh dear.
Yes.
They're coming out of the woodwork. Aww. Aww. Peaches is the best bird ever. Yeah. Oh my. Give me a kiss. Louie, do you want a kiss? Give me a kiss. Yeah, Peaches want hugs and kisses too. Yeah, honey. Honey, baby, I gotta go. I do. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I gotta go.